What a lovely period Mintons Cheviot lidded sugar bowl here. The rarer of the sugar bowls that they made, there is an open one which was made in the Cheviot pattern. And Cheviot was also made in green and white. This is the blue, powder blue. It doesn't show particularly well on this maroon background, but if I bring the white of the porcelain on the inner side of the lid, perhaps that will make the powdery sky blue of this walled sugar basin show more. Cheviot's got this lovely little bluebell ribbon running all the way around it, but classic Minton moulded porcelain here with this big rotation on the ribbed wall going right the way up to this little fine scalloped rim on the outer aspect. Inner rim on the sugar basin, finely detailed again with a gilt line. Little lip handles, not really functional to be fair. You need to grasp this across its body to pick it up. Nice period Mintons mark on there. S451B is the pattern reference number used within the factory. Cheviot there detailed in the Mintons mark with made in England. Used between 1912 and 1950, that mark. Little bit of a red herring here because if you do your research on Mintons, you'll know they use some symbols in terms of their dating, but that symbol doesn't really tally with anything on the reference guides. Looks a little bit like a cross used around 1850, but far too early for this sugar basin, so I don't think that's got any relevance here at all. Really nice condition, lid, basin. One little area of staining here, which I think is just a dirty mark. I think it's going to come off even as I rub it now. So really no condition warnings on this at all. A really fine piece. Needs a good wash actually. It's come out of storage and I haven't actually put this through a rinse or a wash yet, but we will do before dispatching it. Mintons Cheviot in blue. The lidded sugar basin, which is extremely rare piece of china. Available from the Vintage and Antiques website. Date range 1912 through to 1950s. And it's in fine antique condition. Thanks for watching.